Old mount, this is what's left of it.
John here, and I'm wrenching on my 87 Firebird today, and I got to get the transmission mount fixed. I was doing some evasive maneuvers to avoid boredom. Woo! You know what I'm talking about. And I blew the transmission mount, ripped it right out. So today I'm going to put a energy suspension one in. So here's me throwing that mount in. This is what's going on with the transmission mount. It's definitely busted. And these are just run-of-the-mill generic aftermarket mounts. They're just junk. Every time I do a brake stand or a ringer, it rips them right clean out, or if you dump the clutch too hard, obviously. And so I'm gonna replace it with an energy suspension one, and here it is here. It's hopefully a little bit more beefier. I put them in another one, also automatic 3rd gen Camaro. Customer came in and complained it was banging, and we replaced it with one of mine that I have. I've had this for like 4 or 5 years. I just haven't got around to it, so I'm gonna replace that right now. And it's pretty easy. All I gotta do is undo these 4 bolts on the cross member, and this one here on the mount, and 2 on the tranny, and that should all come out. Very simple job.
Old mount, this is what's left of it. It tears apart. These are cheap, like aftermarket ones. You can buy them, they're a dime a dozen. So now I got that, gonna put that good energy suspension one in there. Cross members out of there and the mounts out of there. This is the new mount, the energy suspension one. So we just have to make sure that energy suspension logo is to the front, and it's got this plate. It's got to go in there also, and you put it up here, and then we're going to bolt our cross member in. Cross members bolted back in, and I got all the bolts snugged up. It's a very simple job. Yes, I do have a hoist, so it makes it even easier, but this mount replacement here isn't bad. Automatic or standard, it's kind of same procedure either way. Got the mount all in there, works 100%. My tranny isn't banging around in the tunnel, and I got this back out for a cruise.